In this short video, I will tell you that how you can easily block all the bad videos or adult videos on YouTube in 2024. That's quite simple, interesting and easy. But before starting the video, make sure that you have liked the video and hit that subscribe button for more upcoming tutorials. And make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make any mistake. So first of all, head over to YouTube and then tap on your profile on the bottom right, and then you'll have to click on the gear icon on the top right corner. Now once you're on this page, you'll have to go to general. Now right here you'll find an option of restricted mode just under app language that says this helps to hide potentially mature videos. No filter is 100% accurate. The setting only applies to this app on device. Basically it will hide all the mature videos or adult videos on YouTube. Just all you'll have to do is to toggle this off, and it will remove all the bad videos, almost 99% off from your YouTube account. So if you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that